Hello there, my friends, and welcome to day number 6 of this 30-day content marketing strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step through ideas that you can use to create content that will help you generate leads and sales for your business. So feel free to clone what I'm doing and make it your own, okay? So today we're going to talk about essential tools and resources to help you build your business. Now, the number one mistake that most newbies make, and I say newbies because most seasoned marketers never ever make this mistake, is that newbies actually promote the referral links directly, right? So if you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, and you're promoting the referral link for that company directly, then you're not building your list. First of all, you're building that company's list, right? So when people get to your website and they decide to opt in, they're actually not opting into your list, they're opting into the company's list. And if for any reason you want to change, you decide to change programs, then you actually don't have access to those leads. You might be able to download them and then upload them or whatever way, right? So that is a huge mistake, because any opportunity that you see out there, the leaders, they have one thing in common, is they have a massive email list, right? They've branded themselves, they've built an email list, and they're able to actually monetize that list. So the essential non-negotiable tool that you need when building your business is a marketing system that allows you to build your list, right? So as a marketer, make a decision right now to start building your list. You may have heard the money is in the list, right? So the whole point of us doing attraction marketing, which is what we're learning in this course, is to actually grab your target audience from the social media platforms and bring them into your list. That way you can actually start to build a relationship with them, get them to know, like, and trust you, and then provide them with value, provide them with tools and resources to help them build your business. So let me ask you this: do you have a marketing system that you're using? There's countless of systems out there that allow you to build your list. They range from $50 on average. They could be a bit less, they could be a bit more, but essentially they work the same way. You give away something of value for free in exchange for an email address, right? And once somebody opts into your system, you then send them a series of follow-up emails, because it takes the average person about 7 times to make a decision to buy. So most people will opt into your funnel, but they won't buy straight away. But as long as you nurture that list, you build that list, they could end up buying a week, a month, even a year from now, okay? So the number one essential tool that you need as a marketer is you need a marketing system that allows you to capture your prospects' information, that allows you to follow up with them, right? And the other, that's key. That's like the engine that drives your business. But other tools that I use, like what I'm using right now in this video, is a platform called StreamYard. StreamYard is a platform that allows me to create content like this, videos, and it also allows me to go live, to live stream on different social media platforms at the same time. So that's, for me as a marketer, that's an essential tool that I use for my business. So there's loads of other tools. I'll actually list them in the description here, the tools I use. I use another one called Loom. Loom allows me to record my screen. With the StreamYard, by the way, I can actually share my screen as well and record it. But Loom is specifically for just recording your screen, right? Which is very powerful. So those are some of the tools that I use that are essential. Actually, I use this on a daily basis, right, to build my business. If I've left any out, then you can share them with me in the comments. But feel free to turn around and record a video like this, sharing essential tools that your prospects can use to build a business. So let me go ahead and share my screen here if you are interested in learning more about where I'm getting this information. I'm getting I'm following this blueprint, right? This content ideas are not coming from my head. I have a blueprint that I'm following, right? And it's the program is by somebody, a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren, who went from 0 to 1.6 million in 20 months. So what she did was she put together a step-by-step blueprint teaching anybody how to what she did, right? How to master what we call a 2-hour work week, right? How to focus on income producing activities. So what I want to invite you to do is I want to invite you to click the link below to claim your free copy of 10K in 30 days guide, because that's the goal I have, and that's we are surrounded by a community of people, hundreds of people who have achieving these goals, because our mentor is actually on a mission to help to make 1,000 6-figure earners, right? And she's actually getting there one person at a time. So what I want to do is when you click this, you will actually be going through the tools that I said to you are essential, right? So I'm giving you something of value, I'm capturing your information, and I will be following up with you via email, right? So this is the system that you're going through is one of the essential tools that I use, okay? So let me just introduce you to one of our members of our community, hear what they have to say about the community, and then I'll go into our community there and actually introduce you to even more members, right? And listen to what they have to say. So let's go, Erica. Let's take it away.
Hey y'all, my name is Erica Walker, and back in December, whenever I was looking for a work from home position or something that I could do from home to work around my family, I stumbled across Michelle's live and was intrigued by the 6-figure blueprint. So whenever I saw her success and I started seeing every day the successes that she was having, I was like, oh my gosh, I can do this, or I can't do this, but I can do this. So I purchased the blueprint, and I'm gonna tell you what I love so much about this blueprint is it gives you step by step exactly how to be successful. And what's not in that blueprint, it's in our online community. Our online community is second to none. So this training is one of the top-notch trainings I think that is out there. I took other trainings before this program, and it was nothing compared to this.
Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually go ahead and share my screen and introduce you to some of our members. We have over 35,600 members in our community. Right now, we have 315 of them live online right now, right? But let me share with you some of the wins that our members share on a daily basis, right? I'm looking for financial wins. My first sale after 4 months. Congratulations to Courtney, who posted this a day ago. I never thought it's going to happen. Yay, I was waiting patiently to typing ding, my first sale, right? So that's absolutely amazing. And Nicole, my first sale a few weeks in, and my first sale, I'm so very grateful. Congratulations, Nicole, 14 hours ago. Jeff, 12 hours ago, Jeff posted 7,200 in my first 16 days. Grateful. I bought this system to test it for my daughter who has some health challenges and needs a business she can work from home on her own schedule. I set it up and launched on Saturday the 3rd of August, right? Let's listen to what else he has to say. With a Facebook post that I figured would get 5 or 6 responses of people asking for info. I had 53 people ask for the link. Another post a week later got 33 more requests. That's all I've done so far. I just started a new TikTok channel a few days ago and my first post yesterday, right? So I wasn't planning on doing this myself, but that's changed with such a great response. Thank you to everybody in here for all the encouragement and support so far. You inspire me. How amazing is this? Jeff, who actually did this for his daughter, and next thing he knows, he's all in, right? Absolutely amazing. First categorized video, Dan, 27 minutes ago, 900 to start the day. Today is just getting started. A $900 came in. Best business ever. Grateful. Danielle, 2 hours ago, $1,000 morning. 600, 300, and 100 sales, right? Because we had 3 different packages. Families who are ready to change their lives forever. Praise God. I've been on a break for a few days and still earning income. So let's see the screenshot that she shared here. Yeah, she's just sharing the commissions come in. That is absolutely amazing. What a day, right? You can see the dates, the 20th, 20th, 20th. That's amazing. Congratulations, Daniel. Well done. Marie, 26 minutes ago, $600 Monday. Yay, another ding yesterday. Absolutely love this. This is such a game changer. Plug in, watch the training videos, take notes, get messy, keep it real, okay? Had my first sale today. Who's this here? Wendy, 8 days ago, feeling blessed and stoked for what's coming, working on that mindset shift, okay? Alan, 4 hours ago, waking up with $900 ding. Just woke up today with $900 ding. She told me that she's checking my Facebook account every single day since last year. And the reason she joined under me because I'm consistent for what I'm doing. Yeah, I know Alan, and yes, Alan is consistent, absolutely. Absolutely determined, Angela. Danelle, 4 hours ago, $600 alarm. Good way to wake up. Imagine waking up to a $600 ding. That's amazing, right? Jessica, 10 hours ago, $2,700 in 3 days. Every single day, I thank God for all my blessing. I'm so blessed to make a difference in others' lives. Thank you, Lord. 18,700 total on my 3rd month anniversary. Congratulations, Jessica. Well done. Okay. This program is so powerful. Today was a $1,000 day. Lanisha, that's 9 hours ago. This never gets old. I'm so grateful. Just keep going no matter what. Okay. New leads, 100 leads on my list. First month wrapped up. 8,100. Amber, 8 hours ago. 8,100. How in the world? Today was a 3,600 day. I had two 1,800 days. This is such a blessing. Can't wait to see what next month brings. Amber, congratulations. Woke up to sell. First $100 sale of the week. Yay. And 7 hours ago, congratulations. Lizelle, 7 hours ago, South Africa's 8 millionaire. Congrats to this person here. What a testimony to what is possible to anyone who believes they can change their lives, right? From $100 to millionaire, my journey of perseverance and growth. Oh, this is, wow. Lizelle is talking about Amale, and Amale is here posting as well a day ago. The moment has finally arrived for me to reintroduce myself as the 8th South African millionaire in just 2 months. I started my journey with only $100, and within 2 weeks of launching, earned over $5,599. That's when everything began to take off. I spent countless late nights watching videos, undergoing trainings, and dedicating myself to the growth of my business. I started with no prior experience in digital marketing, but I recognized an opportunity and I couldn't afford to miss, right? So she writes all this stuff. So to keep this video short, I'm going to end there because I'm actually getting carried away. I forgot I was recording a video. So go ahead and click the link below to grab your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. I will send you an email when I deliver the guide. I'll also give you access to a free version of this membership site, which is full of free members, so you can get a feel of what you can meet other members and stuff like that. And feel free to respond to the email. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them for you. I'm here to help you make an informed decision, right? And answer any questions as well. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more trauma from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.